Hi everybody, and welcome to Tadpoles Web Developer Bootcamp. Now we have two bootcamp versions. The first one is a 1 month, which is $75, and the second one is a 3 month, which is $200. Now, I understand that bootcamps are very expensive these days, so we wanted to push towards a cheaper variant. Now, what do you actually get for your money, right? For the $75 one, what you get is around 36 hours of direct lessons and content. So this isn't just all the content we're giving, this is just the one-on-one or the small group lessons you're going to get. So that means we go into either Discord or Zoom and we sit there for an hour or an hour and a half and we teach you how to program. So we help you with any issues you run into, anything like that. Um, on top of that, you do get the backlog of video content. So you get pretty much like all the videos that we have, like we made a video on each section that we're teaching, so that if you miss something or run into any issues like attending class, you have those, or maybe you just want to focus on really making sure that the concepts are ironed out, or even maybe you're going back through and you're interested in one section that we don't really cover in the lessons, so we'll give you some extra content if you want to learn more. So if we go ahead and click on one of these sections, you can see some of the stuff we cover, and maybe you wanted to look into Flexbox a little bit more. You click on here and we have some Flexbox videos for you. So how it works is we run lessons on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we run the same content during the week as we do on the weekend, so that if you miss anything, you can just attend a different lesson. Like maybe you missed the Monday lessons, then you'd attend Saturday's session. Stuff like that. We set it up to make it as flexible as possible for you. On top of that, we want to provide help finding a job, especially in this climate with COVID. We want to really help people with resume help. So we're going to go through your resume, iron out anything that we think maybe needs to be changed on there, and make it look as best as possible. On top of that, we'll help you out with building your portfolio. So obviously portfolio is really important in the industry. So we're going to give you a number of projects that you're going to be able to do. We're going to explain how to do those projects, and we're going to work with you to make sure that you feel comfortable completing them so then you can put them on your portfolio. Finally, we're going to help you with a tailored job search. So we're going to look in your area, or if you're interested in remote work, we'll look at remote jobs, and we'll help you find out like the skills you're going to need and identify those for like what more you'll need to learn to actually get a job in the industry. Further, with the 3 month version, we're also helping you out with your GitHub so that if you run into any issues, you can, like with saves and anything like that, you can put up a GitHub repo. On top of that, it's very helpful in the industry to have a GitHub, especially again with job searching. Next, we're going to do paired programming so that you get comfortable coding with somebody else in the course. So we'll kind of like pair you up with somebody, and you'll be able to build a project together. And then finally, we do a thing called a web jam. So web jam is sort of a competition. We open this up to the public. Basically, it's just going to be, it's like 4 or 5 days typically. We've run a couple in the past already, where we give you a theme. You have to code like a specific thing, like maybe you have to build out an interactive calendar on a website, and then we kind of compete, and whoever does the best actually wins money. So you might even be able to win some money back from what you spent on the course. Actually, there's one last thing I'd like to talk about, which is algorithms. We do help you with whiteboard interviews, any like interview questions that you might run into, and kind of like the algorithms that you might face in those. So we do a bit on that. But that's about it, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.